The Nilight ZH002 is a reliable and effective lighting solution, combining power and functionality in a robust design. Whether for agricultural use, off-road adventures, or simply improving nighttime visibility for various applications, this product delivers an exceptional performance that is hard to surpass. Which adds an extra layer of assurance for buyers. This feature reflects the manufacturer's confidence in the product's quality and performance, making it an attractive choice for both casual users and serious off-road enthusiasts. Overall, the two additional 4-inch LED pods further enhance the lighting experience, offering additional illumination for peripheral visibility. Together with the primary light bar, they create a cohesive lighting system that significantly reduces dark spots, enhancing safety during nighttime or low-visibility conditions. The durability of the materials used is commendable, with the lights being built to withstand harsh environmental conditions.